Hello friends, this is the dashboard of the Galla app and today we'll learn to create purchase order. Here you will find the option purchase order. Now you can create the purchase order in two ways, that is you can create a bulk purchase order or you can create a single purchase order. So to create single purchase order, you click on add new, and to create bulk purchase order, you'll click on create bulk purchase order. Select the supplier here, select the location, choose a CSV file to upload. And click on upload. You have successfully placed a bulk order. So you have now created a bulk purchase order. Okay, so now if you wish to create a single order, you'll go to add new. Fill in all the details here. The ones that are highlighted in red color are the mandatory ones, so make sure you do not miss upon these details. Purchase order date, location, billing address, city, state, postcode, country. So it will ask a couple of details here. Just fill all of these. State code. Okay. Alright, now when you scroll down, there is items information. So you can just select some items randomly. As of now, and you can add as many as options you want here. Let's say we are adding one option here as of now. Okay, so if you want to make any changes in this, let's say in the quantity or maybe text or something, list price, you can make the change here. If not, you'll keep it as it is. Terms and conditions you can add as per your business module. Once all this is done, you can just have a view and click on save. You have successfully added a purchase order. Alright, so now we have created a bulk purchase order and a single purchase order. Once this is done, if you want to export this data, click on export. You can choose you want to export the data in Excel or CSV sheet. Let's say we want to do it in CSV, we'll click on CSV and it will be automatically downloaded and saved to your desktop. Another thing, here if you want to delete this data, okay, so simply click on delete and your details will be deleted. Okay, now here if you want to edit the details in the order that you have just created, you have to click on this pan icon and the page will appear. Here you can make the changes. Let's say I want to make the change in the address. So address has changed and I want to make some changes. I'll edit it and click on save. Okay, so this will be saved. Another thing, we have this page like icon. If you click on this, okay, there is some error. Let's ignore this. Okay, so here you will find these icons. Now, what are these? If you want to download, you can click on this and download this purchase order information sheet. This will duplicate this data. This will send email, like if you want to email this PO information, you can send it by clicking on this. And this edit, this is the option to edit. This pen, if you click on this, it will automatically take you to this page. We have just explored this page, right? Let's again make some changes in the pick board and we'll click on save. We have successfully updated the purchase order. So okay, so by clicking on this, you can simply make changes. Now we have another option, that is action. If you click on this, this says if you want to export the CSV, so you can do it from here as well. So let's say you just want to make some changes, you can just simply use this shortcut, this pan icon, and this page will appear. You can make the changes as desired. It could be postcode, address, anything, whatever you feel like. Click on save and the data will be updated. So alright, that's how you will be creating the bulk and the single orders. So yeah, Hope this helps. Thank you.